In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use portfolios in Asana to group projects and track progress. If you manage several projects at once, portfolios give you a clear, high-level view without jumping in and out of individual boards. This feature is part of Asana's business plan, and it's designed to help you organize related work and monitor progress in one place. Start by opening Google Chrome and logging into your Asana account. Chrome is recommended for the smoothest experience and best compatibility. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Portfolio section. If you don't see it, it likely means your organization isn't on the business plan or your permissions don't include access. In that case, you'll need to check with your admin to enable it. Inside Portfolios, click the button labeled Create Portfolio. A new window will appear asking you to add projects. This is where you gather the initiatives you want to manage together, perhaps all Q4 campaigns, a suite of product launches, or cross-team priorities. Use the search field to find each project by name and add them. You can add as many as you need, and you can always adjust this list later if priorities change. Next, give your portfolio a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Think about how your team labels work and choose a name that reflects the scope or time frame, like marketing launches, Q4, or client onboarding pipeline. You can rename it anytime, but starting with a consistent naming convention makes it easier to keep things organized as your list of portfolios grows. With your portfolio created and populated, you now have a centralized view of the grouped projects. Open the portfolio to see all projects together and track their progress collectively. You'll notice an at-a-glance summary that helps you understand what's on track, what's at risk, and where deadlines are approaching. This saves time and reduces context switching by letting you spot trends and potential blockers without drilling into each project. If you do need details, you can open any project directly from this view and return to the portfolio when you're done. That's all there is to it. Log in through Chrome, use the Portfolios feature, click Create Portfolio, and add your projects. Give the portfolio a clear name, and then use that centralized view to monitor progress across the board. With this setup, you'll keep your teams aligned and your priorities visible, all in one place.